All right, working on a 2011 Malibu 2.4. A cold start misfire slash random misfire. Customer stated they already did a tune-up on it. I want to say he said like 8 to 10,000 miles ago, somewhere in that range. Kind of regardless, I wanted to pull the spark plugs out and just see what they look like. I did confirm it does have a random misfire cold start. Seems to run fine once it's warmed up and running. But I'll show you what I found with these spark plugs. The one closest to me here is what came out of it, and the one on the top here is what it should be. Look at the length difference. So in fact, the customer put the wrong spark plugs in this. So this spark plug here that was in it wouldn't be in the chamber deep enough, and definitely could be causing misfires. So I'm going to go ahead and get the right spark plugs in it and see what that does for us. I'm pretty confident that's going to fix our issue, but it just goes to show you, can't always trust what the customers have done. You got to go through and just double check. So don't see this too often, but I always like to confirm. Yeah, that'll be it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.